Hey Internet, I am the professor and right now I am taking responsibility to tell you some amazing information on various topics. So, without wasting time, let's jump into it. Do you know the flying creature on Earth whose size is bigger than a fighter jet? And can you please tell me who is the first lady of two different countries? And do you know from which place you can experience 16 sunrise and 16 sunset moments? Let's find the answer. Number 1. Once upon a time on Earth, there was a flying creature living on Earth whose size is bigger than a fighter jet. Yes, it is true. In 1971, a group of students doing a field work in Texas and they discovered the bones of pterosaur. Oh, sorry. For those of you who don't know what pterosaur is a winged reptile that once ruled Earth's sky. At that time, it was the largest flying creature ever on Earth, with a wingspan of at least 36 feet. But new study also found that in Mexico, a scientist from Germany discovered the footprints of a pterosaur with a wingspan near about 60 feet. It's larger than that of a modern fighter jet. Number 2. Need of fingerprints in crime detection. You heard about in most of the crime related shows or in movies, detective finds the bad guys with the help of fingerprints at the crime scene with the help of forensic expert. So you know the crucial role of fingerprints in crime investigation agencies. But do you know when it was started? Look into this picture. The man to the left was called Will West. The man on the right is William West, and they were both sentenced to jail at Leavenworth Penitentiary in Kansas over 100 years ago. They look similar and even having the same name, but the two prisoners pictured were actually different people and they're exceptional. Yes, a rare and exceptional case helped bring in the era of fingerprints identification. Number 3. Alien Abduction Insurance Policy. Do aliens exist? Who cares? What if they arrived on Earth? Oh, now I care. And what if they abduct me? Oh my god. But here is the news based on the media reports. More than 6,000 people have taken out alien abduction policies worth the 8 million. The insurance policy provided by St. Lawrence Agency in Altamonte Springs, Florida, United States, and this agency promises clients cover for supernatural sites like Area 51. Number 4. Failure of failed attempt. An assassin tried to kill Franz Ferdinand, who was the Prince of Austria, while Ferdinand was riding in a car. However, the killer didn't realize there was a 10-second delay on the grenade and he missed. Then he tried to commit suicide, but his cyanide pill was expired and then he jumped into the river. But the river is only 4 inches deep, so he survived and later on he arrested. Number 5. Just imagine if the entire history of the earth, that means from origin of earth up to this moment, were compressed into 1 year. The T-Rex wouldn't have appeared until December 26th and the dinosaurs would have gone extinct by December 27th and the humans would have arrived on December 31st. So, conclusion is we are not even the part of 1% of history of earth and still so much ego. Number 6. From which place you can experience 16 sunrise and 16 sunset? Answer is International Space Station. Astronaut or cosmonauts lives in the International Space Station orbiting around the planet Earth at a speed of 17,500 miles per hour or 28,000 km per hour, which means they were revolving around the Earth, or in other words, they are completing one complete cycle around the Earth in 90 minutes. So they can see 16 sunrises and 16 sunsets from International Space Station. Number 7. What is CAPTCHA and what is the purpose of it? A CAPTCHA is an acronym for completely automated public Turing test to tell computers and humans apart. CAPTCHA is generally used as security check to ensure only human intervention can go through it, not some robots or you can say Autobots. CAPTCHA is generated by distortion images, which mainly contains images, alphabets or numbers or combination of images and alphanumeric strings, so that CAPTCHA can tackle OCR technology. OCR stands for Optical Character Recognitions. Number 8. Jason Statham skill set. Jason Statham is a renowned actor from Hollywood. He is mainly famous for his intense action and stunning physique. While shooting of the Expendable 3 movie, Jason Statham almost died. He was shooting an action scene when the brakes on his truck failed, driving him into the sea. But Jason is a very good swimmer, so he was able to stop himself from drowning. We all love you, Jason. Stay healthy till Fast and Furious 33. Number 9. Math Magic. You can take any number, double it, add 10, divide by 2 and subtract the original amount and always end up with 5. Here I am assuming the number x. After doubling x, you have twice x. Add 10 and it becomes twice x plus 10. Then divide by 2 and it becomes x plus 5. After subtracting the original number is x, you have 5. Yes, right after watching the full video. Number 10. Ernest Hemingway. Ernest Hemingway is a renowned American writer and short storyteller. Born in 1899, died in 1961. He is also Nobel Prize winner in 1954. Ernest Hemingway in his whole lifetime survived malaria, pneumonia, anthrax, skin cancer, anemia, diabetes, 2 plane crashes, a ruptured kidney, a ruptured liver, a fractured skull and a crushed vertebra. Such a lucky man with a high spirit. Number 11. Initial reason behind starting of YouTube. YouTube was originally intended to be a dating site with the slogan "Tune in, look up." But creators could not find anyone willing to submit videos, even when they were offered cash. So that's why we are here. Number 12. First Lady of 2 different countries. Gracia Machel was born on 17th of October 1945 to a family of peasants in modern-day Mozambique. Gracia joined Frelimo, that is Liberation Front of Mozambique, when she was 28 years old. At that time, she met the movement's big leader, Samora Machel, and they became lovers and were married in August 1975. Samora Machel was now become the first president of Mozambique, and Gracia Machel was now the first lady of Mozambique. But in 1986, her husband Samora Machel died in a plane crash. After that, she dedicated herself in a social service and works for children's rights and education. In the 1990s, she met with Nelson Mandela and they got married in 1998. She was now the only woman in history to be the first lady of 2 separate countries. But she still loves Mozambique and thus she achieves worldwide recognition for her achievements in the area of education and children's rights. Here we are going to stop. Thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate your time. Please like the video, share it with your family and friends, subscribe the YouTube channel, press the bell notification icon and follow me on Instagram.